Hi friends, the story I have is called We're Roaming in the Rainforest, an Amazon adventure. The Amazon is where a lot of the rainforest is in our world. And there's all kinds of different and fun animals that live in the rainforest. This is by Lori Krebs and Ann Wilson. Rainforest sunrise, the dark fades away, and everyone eagerly greets the new day. Fly, squawk the parrots from branches and twigs. We'll swoop down to breakfast on ripe, juicy figs. Jump, chatter monkeys, or swing if you dare. We'll hang by our tails and then leap through the air. Snooze, yawn the sloths, all ready to doze. We'll nap in the trees as we cling by our toes. We'll make a sloth project next week. Swim, gurgle pink river dolphins with pride. We'll nuzzle our calves while we swim side by side. Sip, murmur butterflies high in the sky. We'll lunch upon nectar as we flutter by. Watch, snap the caimans with wide awake eyes. We'll offer our prey an unwelcome surprise. They're kind of like alligators or crocodiles. Caimans, they're called. Hide, croak the colorful poison dart frogs. We'll burrow down under the moss-covered logs. You see the colorful frogs? March, ordered leafcutter ants on parade. We'll bury our cuttings in gardens we made. Spin, hum the spiders, perfecting a snare. We'll capture our supper. Would you like to share? Scoot, hiss the gecko and lizard and snake. We'll skitter and scamper and slither and shake. Crouch, growl the jaguars as dusk closes in. We'll hide until dark when our hunt can begin. Do you see the jaguars? I see two. Hush, whispers otters to pups in a heap. We'll cuddle together till we fall asleep. There the otters are. Rainforest sunset, the moon's on the rise, and everyone listens to night lullabies. This is where the Amazon rainforest is in South America. North America is up here where we live, and this is where the rainforest is. And then it talks about all the different animals. I hope you learned about some new animals in the rainforest.